Welcome to Rainbow Count. In today's lesson, we shall learn long division. In Singapore, long division is usually taught in primary 3, which is when the child is 9 years old, if I remember correctly. And I believe in the USA, Australia, Indonesia, students at this age of 9 years will be in grade 3 or year 3. In the UK, India, Hong Kong, and China, students at this same age 9 would be in grade 4 or year 4 or standard 4. Well, let me know if this is correct or if I'm wrong, or I have not included your country. I'm sorry. Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Now let's talk about long division. Division is distributing the dividend equally among the divisor. The best way to explain is to use an example: 41 divided by 3. 41 is the dividend. Simply means how many to distribute equally. 3 is the divisor. Simply means distribute into how many groups. And the result of the division is called quotient. Simply means how many in each group after distributing equally. Looking at the screen on the left, in the tens place we have 4 groups of 10. And in the ones place we have one individual penguin. So that makes the number 41. So we have 41 penguins, and the question is asking us to distribute equally into 3 groups. In this case, 3 igloos. To carry out long division, we always start with the highest place value of any given number. In this question, the highest place value is the tens place. So we start to distribute the 4 groups of 10. It is very clear to see we can distribute only one group of 10 into each of the 3 igloos. The penguins are feeling cold, so let's put them in the 3 igloos. 1, 1, 1. Now at the right of our division algorithm, since we have just distributed one group of 10s into each of the 3 igloos, we must write 1 above the 10th place, which is above the 4. Looking at the rainbow box on the left, we have only one group of 10s and unable to distribute them equally in the 10s column. But we can ungroup it. So let's ungroup it. Now we can clearly see that there are 11 penguins that we have yet to distribute in the ones place. Looking at the right, the long division algorithm, we cannot see how many penguins we have not yet distributed. It is not reflected in any of the numbers here. So we need to carry out the multiply and subtract procedure. This is done by multiplying the 1 that we have just written, which gives us 3. This is the 3 group of 10 that we have just distributed. We write this under the 4. Next, we have to take 4, subtract 3. that gives us 1 in the tens column. And we need to bring the other 1 in the ones column down. That makes 11. This shows the number of penguins that we have yet to distribute. Now we can continue to distribute the penguins from the ones place. Looking at the rainbow box on the left, how many penguins are we able to assign into each of the 3 igloos equally? Okay, let's distribute them. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. Now we are left with 2 penguins. We have to stop distributing, otherwise all the igloos will not have the same number of penguins. Looking at the right, the division algorithm, since we have just distributed 3 penguins into each of the igloos, we have to write 3 above the ones place. Multiply the divisor 3, that gives us 9. Now, 11 subtract 9, that gives us 2. This is the number of penguins left. And the 9, this 9, is the number of penguins that we have just distributed from the ones place. So, 41 divided by 3 is 13, remainder 2. 2 cold and lonely penguins. Well, I hope this lesson is able to help your child a better understanding of long division. I shall be uploading more videos, so please click like and share. Thank you for watching and see you again.